Good day to everyone, I'm Kapil Naidu and I will be speaking about machine learning. So what is machine learning? Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence where computers learn from data and experience instead of being programmed to obey fixed rules. So why is machine learning important? Machine learning is important because it powers our search engines that recommend content to us. It does disease prediction in the medical sector. It allows self-driving cars like Tesla to exist. And finally, it powers our security for facial recognition in smartphones. So how does it work? There are 5 steps. The first step is the machine collects data from datasets. The second step, it prepares the data by undergoing pattern recognition. Third step is it trains the model to understand the pattern recognition. Fourth step, it starts testing and does its own outputs. Fifth step, it starts comparing the output compared to the desired output and changes its parameters in order to get a more accurate output. So there are 3 main types of machine learning. Firstly, supervised machine learning, which learns from labeled data. Then secondly, there is unsupervised machine learning, which learns from unlabeled data. So the goal for it is to find hidden patterns that might not be aware to the humans. Lastly is reinforcement learning, which is different from both previous, where it learns from trial and error by interacting with the environment with a reward system.
Good day everyone, my name is Sanjing C and today I'm going to present about the key stages in machine learning and application of machine learning. Alright, so first off, the first diagram shows the key stages in machine learning and the first step is the data collections. The diagram below it shows the key aspects for it. Next up, we have the data preparations. Alright, so this is to transform the raw data for usable format for the model and the right side is the key aspect for it. Next up, we also have the model selection and the diagram below it shows the key aspects for the model selection. Next up, we also have the model training. So for model training, the dataset is used depending on the type of machine learning shown in the table just now. And there are also key aspects when training the model. Alright, so next up, we also have the model evaluations. So the model is evaluated according to key aspects shown on the right side. Alright, so the next up, we also have the model deployment. Alright, the right side shows the key aspects of model deployment. Next up, we also have the monitoring and maintenance. This is to make sure the model is always relevant to the problem addressed. And the right side shows the key aspects. Next up, we also have the application of machine learning, which is first up is education, which is as shown in the Quizlet, alright, the flashcards. Next up, we also have healthcare and medical diagnosis. Due to disease always having pattern, machine learning is able to detect it. Alright. Next up, we also have personalized recommendation and user experience, which one iconic example is YouTube recommendations. Next up, we also have the fraud detection. Alright, so this one,
by feeding
due
an
to spam
algorithm
emails
into the
having
model,
patterns, it's
spam
able to
emails can
detect
be
it for
easily
the model.
detected.
Okay, so next up, we also have the autonomous and smart mobility. One of the example is Tesla self-driving cars using machine learning models. That's all from me. Thank you.
We'll be talking about the pros and cons of machine learning. Now, one of the first major advantages that exists is that it identifies trends and patterns very easily. Now, this is because the data is constantly being analyzed so that it can provide very accurate results in a very short period of time. Next, we have automation. So, tasks that used to be done by humans can now be done by machines, and this allows us to put our energy into something that actually requires human input. Lastly, we have scalability. And what this means is that we can update information a lot faster compared to if a human were to input the data and then analyze the data individually. Now, onto the disadvantages of machine learning. The first major disadvantage is a high risk of bias, especially when the data provided to the machine is either insufficient or incorrect altogether. What this can do is skew the data one way or another. Next, we have job displacement because jobs that used to be done by humans are now being done by robots. Lastly, we have copyright concerns because some machine learning models use copyrighted data without the consent of the original creator. That will conclude my session.
Hi, so I'll be talking about the future of machine learning. First, we have smarter personal assistants where we have GPS and personalized recommendations. A popular GPS we use is Waze, so when we leave home, we will usually use the app on our phone and see this before we head to our destination. This shows how Waze is used to predict future events and suggest the best routes. AI apps can also be used for personalized recommendations based on past purchases and goals set by the user. Machine learning is also used for more powerful medical applications where disease detection and personalized medicines can be done. Using machine learning, cancer can be detected way earlier than doctors can, while the best treatment can be suggested as well. But why is this so powerful? Well, there are fewer side effects since medications are made based on patients' DNA, faster recovery, and higher survival rates. As for autonomous systems, we have autonomous cars and delivery drones. These self-driving cars are very special as it has sensors to collect data based on obstacles it faces and predicts events before action is taken place. In delivery drones, sensors are also used to navigate while avoiding obstacles, and landing at the destination safely. Between delivery drones and traditional delivery, there are much more advantages using delivery drones compared to traditional delivery. Thank you.